Hello guys, thanks for clicking this video. As you can see, I have 7 multimeters with different brands and 3 electrosmog meter and gauge meter. The multimeters are the series 830 with different types. This is like 5 bucks, this is 3 bucks and 2 bucks. DT6222 is automatic multimeter outrange. You can see the UT30TB, the mid multimeter. UT51, this is a big multimeter. This one DT9205E. This one is MS62, good meter. I'm going to test the radio forward output on the meters, how much will change the amount of multimeters when I'm pushing the 4 or 5 watt radio. At first, let's check what's going on the meters here. This is electrosmog meters. Look at, wow, as you can see, this is going to 27, this one to 20, and the analog one going to maximum. Let's look at the meters, what's going on. At first, I'm going to check all of them. From here, you can see all of them gonna be changed. Look, when I'm pushing this way, depended to the distance between radio and multimeter. Look at that, wow, all of them going to change. Some of them are, the changes are for the LCD controllers, and some of them from the terminals here, depended to the multimeter. Look at that, this one, this one. Let's check the multi-range meter with DC. What's going on? Wow, something like 200 millivolts. I'm going to check with UT33B in DC also. I'm going to smaller rate. What it mean? So it means that for high accuracy measurements, simple radio can cause too much change with the calculations and results. So it's better the place that we are testing the elements be isolated place in shielded rooms or something, acoustic shielded rooms. Thanks for watching. I'm going to test one more time with different gauge. One more time I'm testing, you can see. I'm going with this one also with DC. This is with chip meters, but working pretty well for this. The red one is expensive one. It's a very quality. Look at that. The 20 volt is not good enough. Also Look at that. Something like 800 volts. Look at that in DC. Wow. So the changes are too much. Really big change with the crystal radio on the LCDs and on terminals. Look, I'm going to change this one to 200. Look at that. This coming with shielded aluminum foils both sides. When you open the box, you can see that both sides of the meter comes with aluminum foil. Look at that. Let's make a small change. For MS62, we're going for DC voltage. That's it. This is less give noise. I think it's working much better. The winner is MS62. Thanks for watching. I will try to test with other meters and make videos. Thank you very much, and bye.